parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to all everyone. It is great honor, pleasure for me to speak on the occasion mega parents teachers meeting 4.0 4.0. First of all, I extended a warm welcome to all the parents who have taken time to busy shoulders to be with husband today. Today your presence shows and commitment to our education. I am very happy to say that our government products to my school like good classroom, teachers, playground and clean toilets, Dr. Sitama, MDD, Sarvepalli, Radhakrishna, Vidya Mitra Kids. I would like express my sincere gratitude to be Honorable Chief Minister Nara Chandrababu Naidu Garu, Deputy CM Sri Pawan Kalyan Garu, Education Minister of Nara Lokesh Garu, Union of Commitment improve education of AP. Once again, thank you all. I wish this mega PTM grand success.